Welcome back, kids. So till now you learnt about summer season, correct? So what you all will do in summer season? So you prefer cold drinks, like something which is cool to our body, like watermelon, lemon juice, orange. So these are the fruits you eat on summer season. Food also you won't prefer much. You like this, and more thirsty you will have on summer season. Where in winter season, we'll see what will happen in windy days. See here, clothes for cold and windy days. Open page number 89, kids. It's all of you keep your point finger on the book. Okay, see here, clothes for cold and windy days. So usually, now you tell me in general, usually what you will do on cold days. So like 2 to 3 days back, you all had a climate, very bad climate, like it was very cold and windy. So whatever they have given in your studio, the same thing was there. So what you are doing? So you have packed yourself, correct? So you were on bed, lying on the bed and wearing jackets or pullover, something. You have covered your body and your ears, right? Correct? No, you have packed yourself like this. Correct? No, kids? So that is what the thing it is here. I'll read it out. All of you keep your point finger on the book. See here, on some days the wind can blow strongly. Some days wind can blow strongly. Exactly. The wind can blow strongly. It may snow in some places too. Yes, kids, in some places it may snow. On Christmas times and all, have you seen in US and all, on Christmas time you can see the snows. Correct. You might have noticed in TVs and all. You watch television, you will get to know. In some places it snows. People usually dress up in jackets or sweaters. Correct? Now, as I told you, no. So when we feel very cold, we pack ourselves. We pack up ourselves. So wearing dresses like jackets, sweaters, even gloves, socks for our legs, and muffler, all the things we wear. They may cover their ears and neck with mufflers. Sweaters are usually made from wool. Woolen clothes keeps us warm. So where do you get wool? From where do you get wool? We get wool from sheep. Correct. We get wool from sheep. So now you let me know that removing of sheep wool is known as shearing. Correct. So removal of sheep wool from its body is known as shearing. Correct. So now here it is, what they have given you is on cold or windy times what the dress we wear. This is what the thing they have given here. So what we usually wear? We usually wear sweater, jackets and all. So that is the main thing we wear. We keep packing ourselves. Correct. Packing ourselves in the sense wearing sweater, muffler, covering our ears, covering our body, as wearing socks and gloves to our hands. This is called the time packing ourselves to keep our body warm. So this is the main thing we do in when we feel very cold. And one more thing. So to what the clothes we wear to keep our body warm? So we wear woolen clothes. Correct. See, it is given here. See here, it is given here that woolen clothes keeps us warm. Correct. See, this boy he has wearing yellow color jacket. So these are the dresses most probably we wear on winter season. So this is the dresses, right? Sweaters, gloves, muffler. See all the things we wear. Even some small kids and all, they wear scarf also. But we will not wear small kids, they wear scarf. Mother wears sweater and socks. All these things the mother, she'll provide this to baby and she'll tie to herself, isn't it? She all will do. She pampers baby also by doing all those things. Correct, kids? We will do by ourselves. Why? Because we can do. So this is the main dresses we wear on windy climate. And main thing is hot soup. So you all like soup, right? So you prefer soup also. You'll ask your mother to keep soup, hot soup. Correct. In cold, if it is very cold, then first thing you'll ask for soup. The next one is See, these all things: vada, bhaji, bonda, pakoda. So French fries, a hot milk, a cup of coffee. This is the main thing we prefer. Parents prefer a cup of coffee. First kids, a glass of milk, hot glass of milk. Correct, warm glass of milk we can tell. So this is what the main thing. This is the main thing that we prefer to eat in when cold season. Correct. If it is cold, we like to eat this one. Correct. Correct. Your favorite, no? Everyone's favorite. If it is French fries or bread toast like these and all, you all will like. Correct, kids? Okay. So now we'll have one more thing. So now we'll go to your KG time. So now it's not second standard. It's KG time for 2 minutes. So you might be thinking what it is, ma'am, what ma'am would tell. Correct. See here. So here, this is the activity you are going to do now and I'll tell you what it is. See here. So here, do you remember this rhyme? Sing along with your classmates. It is 6.6 activity. So now, I'll read one rhyme. You let me know that, do you know this? With whom, with your classmates you have sing. Just remember your friends. Okay, it is rain, rain, go away, come again, another day. Little Johnny wants to play. Rain, rain, go away. So this is a rhyme you learnt in your KG. Correct. I hope you still remember this. Correct. So, can you please all of you sing this rhyme for me? One more time for me. Can you all sing? Come on, all of you sing. Rain, rain, go away, come again, another day. Little Johnny wants to play. So rain, 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 go away. Correct. So the song is about little Johnny wants to play. So he don't want rain to disturb him. That is what the rhyme. Correct. Okay, see here they have given you a rhyme here. Here it is. Why did little Johnny want the rain to go away? Here they have asked you 2 questions. Okay, so now you have to answer this. So here the question is, why did little Johnny want the rain to go away? Why? Because little Johnny wants to play. Correct. So that thing you are going to write it here. Next one. If little Johnny has to go out on a rainy day, what kind of clothes should he wear? So now this question is for you also, kids. Not only for little Johnny. You also think by yourself and then write for Johnny. So now you tell me that if you want to go out on rainy day, what kind of clothes should you wear? You would have like jackets you wear. You use raincoat. Main thing is a raincoat. Correct. You would shawls, socks and all you will wear. You would footwear. You will carry umbrella. First you have to cover ourselves. Then only we have to step out. The main thing we wear is raincoat. Correct. So now what you are going to write it here? So now here if little Johnny has to go out on rainy day, what kind of clothes should he wear? So that you have to write here what kind of dress should Johnny wear. Okay. Here on some days it may rain heavily or drizzle lightly. So what do you mean by drizzle? Drizzle means tural. Okay. So when rains tural Varadi will tell for your mother, no? Or your mother she says that, isn't it? So that is called as drizzle. On some days it may rain heavily or drizzle lightly. So 2-3 days back we had rain, heavy rain was there and drizzle, both the things were there. You might have observed the climate. There can be thunder and lightning too. Thunder also was there. Minnal and all you will tell, no? Thunder, lightning too. People usually wear raincoat and gumboots to protect themselves. I told you, no, on rainy season, the first main thing we have to do is we have to protect ourselves. So the raincoat is the main thing for us. Raincoat protects us. So we have to wear raincoat. First we have to cover ourselves. So raincoat and gumboots to protect themselves they have given. So nowadays if you go out, I hope no one will go out because all my kids are very good and you will not go out. So in case if it is emergency, what you will do? You have to protect yourself. Carry umbrella and the raincoat also to be used, and use gum boots. If it is not there, whatever the shoes you have, you can use some plastic shoes. That is good. You can use that. You have to cover yourself and then you have to walk out from the house. Correct now. So now we'll have a summary that what you learnt in today's class. So what did you learn today? You learnt about seasons. So you have how many seasons? In today's class, how many seasons you learned? You learnt about 2 seasons. Correct. So one is summer. The other one is winter. Correct. So in summer, what all the things you will do in summer? You will go for beach. You will do that sand castle and all you will do. Correct. You will play with your friends and with your family members, relatives and all you will do. You will have fun. You will play with your friends outside. And then you keep drinking water. It will be very thirsty. You keep drinking water. You will eat watermelon, melon, orange juice or orange. Then what mangoes are also available on summer seasons. Correct. In April, month of April, March and all you will get mangoes, May and all. Correct. So you can eat lots of mangoes. Then what you will do? Ice apples, that nungu, ice apples also. It is really good for our health. And you will eat. Then what you will eat? Then what you will eat? You can eat fruits. You can have to drink lots of water on what? When you are playing, you have to drink lots of water because our body should not get dehydrated. So drinking water is really a good habit. Correct, kids? So what you have to do? So once you go out, you have to wash your hands and come. Once you are in. So once you have finished all your planes, all of the things. When you have finished all the things, when you are back to home, you have to wash your hands, legs. If you can, take a shower also. Then eat food, rest some time and then you can go and play. Only not now. This is not the time to play. Like if it is in summer season, after Corona only you have to go out and play. Okay, now this is not the right time to go. But still it is spreading out. We have to be careful. So summer season is what? It sweats a lot. It will be very hot. How about in winter? It is very cold. We have to keep our body warm. So we keep using jackets, raincoat. So if it is rainy season, we'll use raincoat. If it is cold, if it is windy day, what you'll do? You'll use sweater, raincoat, pullover, jackets, socks, gloves, muffler or socks. All these things we usually use in winter season. Correct. So in winter season, what all the foods you eat? You like to eat soup and all, and snacks also, bhaji, bonda, all snacks also you prefer to eat. Correct, kids? So you only eat hot foods and hot milk, warm milk for your parents, a cup of coffee. So all these things will be there. Who will prepare? Your mom will prepare for you all hot food and all she'll prepare at lunchtime. Like she'll give you hot. When your mom she serves on plate, it will be hot. You like to eat it, no? So I know you all will eat veggies also. Veggies, fruits, and at the time playtimes also is needed for you. You have to play, finish all your homework. So what all the school teachers they have assigned you homeworks, finish that and then go and play. Okay, not outside, play in your compound or at your home with your siblings, brother or your parents. Or else you can play, if you have any blocks you can play that. But this is not the time to walk out. Okay, kids? Okay, so now today I have given you activity. So complete it and post it. Okay, so if you do, in the next class I'll give you star rating. You all need star rating, no? So I know all my kids will complete it and I hope for good, and I want you all to complete it and write neatly. Okay? Okay, kids? See you in the next class. Take care. Bye-bye. Have a nice day, kids.